I am delighted to present Tungsram all-new line of Edgelit panels, where we have categorized our product items into a good, better and best offering, incorporating our value, standard and premium panels. When illuminated, the panels deliver exceptional uniform light to any space where an efficient and reliable fixture is required.
The panels are ultra-thin and super lightweight, making them easy to deliver, store and install across various applications like offices or retail spaces. The luminaires come with a reliable Tungsram LED chips and a flicker-free driver with 3 different color temperature, 3000, 4000 and 6500 Kelvin.
Our value panels offer a lower cost option while still achieving evenly diffused lighting. They feature up to 100 lumen per watt efficiency with a service life of 30,000 hours at L70B50. Within this range you can select luminaires with standard diffuser with UGR level below 22 or with reduced glare diffuser for UGR lower than 19. Within the standard range of panels, customers can opt for a wide range of options depending on the specification requirement, featuring either 30 watt, 40 watt or 48 watt capabilities with 110 lumen per watt efficiency. The lumen output of the range goes up to 5280 lumen. Customers can enjoy the benefit of these fixtures over a long service life of 50,000 hours at L80B50.
With the 30 watt, 33 watt and 38 watt versions of the premium panels available, you can create your ideal lighting setting in offices, public buildings or educational environments. Luminaires within this range feature up to 120 lumen per watt efficiency and the lumen output goes up to 4560 lumen. A loop-in loop-out connection and pre-installed hooks for the readily included safety cable further ease installation. The range has an exceptional long lifetime of 50,000 hours with L80B20 lumen maintenance level, making them a long-term choice. The panels in the standard and in the premium range are designed with a prismatic diffuser and both ranges provide a unified glare rating lower than 19. Customers can opt for a fixture with either an on-off static driver or a dolly driver with push-dim function. The dolly driver comes with a dip switch, so you can set the product at different lower power levels if your lighting system requires or if you would like to save more on energy. The fixtures are designed for suspended T-grid ceilings. However, Tungsram provides a wide range of accessories to allow multiple installation options, including surface mounting, suspension, or recessed installation on a plasterboard ceiling. The entire Tungsram Edgelit panel range is compatible with our dedicated Tungsram Emergency Kits, so you can easily convert Tungsram LED panels to emergency solutions. Across the 3 ranges of Edgelit panels, there is an option for any space, any location or any lighting scenario.